Hello and welcome to Camera Cole, where we look at life through the lens of truth. Today I'm showing you the Social Media Essential Starter Pack microphone selection. Right here I have the DJI Mic 2s. These are the top of the line right now, and these are what I recommend that all my clients get when they're getting started. These are gonna be the highest quality you can get right now for the social media mobile mics. They're not gonna need to be upgraded anytime soon. They have a great customer support. It's worth investing in some good mics, and these are what I like. To get right into it, these are a fast plug and play system. We got windscreens. Use these if you're going outside. You got a cable for if you're going into a camera, and you have a charging cord. Those are all three very important things, but it should come ready to rock and roll. So we're gonna open this up, and I'm gonna show you why I like this brand the most. Pop it open by pressing the button to open it up. Okay, has a nice little lock-in lever. This case charges your microphones, so as you store them, you'll be able to pull them out of storage fully charged. These indicators right here are going to show you how much charge we have in the case itself, and then on the screen here, we actually have the live charging display, and it tells you that we have 15 hours on each of these transmitters. We can speak into them, and the audio goes to the receiver, which is also fully charged, and this part plugs into your phone. I like the DJI Mic 2s because it has both options for plugging into your phone right now. We've got the Android or the new iPhone USB-C. We also have the USB Lightning plug-in connector if you're still using that series of iPhone. These both fit right into your case and stored appropriately. Never gonna lose these bad Larrys. When you're ready to go, first thing you're gonna need is to get your receiver out, and there's this little slide out cover for your connector pins. Then you're gonna take the style of phone connector that you have. I have USB-C, so I'm gonna get the USB-C one, and I'm just gonna line up the arrows on here and slide it in right where I took that cover off. It's on the back. This screen is a touch screen, so that's very nice, even though it's small. And if it's not on, press and hold the power option. Once you have the correct connector and you have your mic, and the mic has a green light, which means it's on, and you are seeing it pick up audio on the little screen right here, you're good to go. If you're not seeing the green, go ahead and swipe until you see the green on your touch screen. You're seeing it go up and down as I speak into the mic. The great thing about this too is I can store it with the connector on, so it can just stay in there. If I know I'm always going to be USB Type-C, I can just store it right in there, and I don't have to take the cover on and off. It fits and charges with the connector and adapter still on. Once you have your receiver with the correct plug-in and your mic with the green light showing that it's on and transmitting to the receiver, get your phone out and pop it right in the bottom. Boom. It's gonna give you a little green check mark that says it's connected, and then you open up your camera app. Once your camera app is open and you're seeing the green line go right here, it's a plug and play. You should be ready to go. Click on video, and we're gonna do a little test video. The way I test that my mics are working is I will blow very softly into the mic, and you'll be able to hear it play out of your phone, and you're knowing for a fact that this is the mic that's picking up the audio. If I hold my phone talking to the microphone and record a video, I might think that the camera mic is picking it up and not know the difference, so I just like to blow very gently into the top, and you will see it register. So hit record, stop your video, and then play it back. Okay, that's enough of that. It's very clearly coming through this microphone, so now we're ready to go. Go ahead and record your videos, and bada bing, bada boom. These mics are linked below, so that's an affiliated link. I'm gonna get a portion of your purchase price, and I tithe, so Jesus is also gonna get a portion of the purchase. Thank you for coming into Camera Cole. Thank you for your time, and welcome on the creator journey. If you have the tripod or the ring light videos, those are also gonna be linked below, and if you wanna know my essential starter pack is for social media, click that link. It's gonna be linked below as well.